Hello guys, we're at Dynatune today, so we got the 1J, had a couple issues, you know, the oil pressure thing, so we got that sorted. It was actually a pin-out problem, so yeah, you can hear behind me, that's Jay-Z just getting warmed up. Chris is getting ready to go. Didn't have really any other issues just now, just oil pressure, so cross fingers, there's nothing else. Yeah, let's get inside and have a look. So we've had a problem at the dyno. This wasp alternator thing stopped charging, so we had to stop at the dyno because the fuel pump started dying, but everything started dying. So Neil, what a gentleman, we went over to Chrissy Nailing, was it NHP Motorsport. He had a standard alternator, so we've just went and picked that up. He's just lended us for today and probably tomorrow as well, because now it's like 3 o'clock. Been on the dyno maybe half an hour. This alternator's not lasted long at all, so yeah, I phoned up Garage D, so they're going to send out another one, so hopefully we get the new wasp one tomorrow and I can give Chrissy this standard one back. So I'm not overly impressed just now because that's an expensive alternator, but anyway, at least we're moving forward. Yeah, we'll update you in a wee minute. That's the alternator back in now, so got that from Chrissy Nailing. What an absolute hero. So we'll get some mapping done now. It's 3 o'clock, so we're not going to get that much done today, so yeah, can't wait. Let's get some turbo noises. They're just getting a problem just now. They're 3,000 RPM, they go from 5% injecting on each cylinder to 20 or something like that. So Chris and Nick are looking through the map because it's obviously a 2J map that used to be on it, so 1Js and 2Js, there's a bit of difference, VVTi and all that crap. So I'm just having a little breather outside. I haven't been this stressed in a long time, you know. It's anyway, I'm gonna get back inside, I guess. I just hope it goes well. I don't want anything else to go wrong. Like, had the pin out wrong on the oil pump, the oil pressure sensor, that was wrong, but you know, I haven't changed the wiring since I bought it, so obviously that was wrong before. And then the radiator as well, the fans were wrongly done as well, so we sorted that. And then the wasp alternator that I got brand new with the engine, that's also fucked up, or broken, sorry I should say. So yeah, changed that out, so hopefully no more problems. I don't know how much I can take, but yeah, it's must be around 4 o'clock or something now, so see how much more we can get done today. If not, we'll just do it again tomorrow. So yeah, I'll get back inside and keep videoing for you guys, even though I'm stressed. Okay guys, so as you can see, we had problems with bloody fake tile shit. So that's a lesson learned. Don't buy fake wastegates. It's a waste of money, you know. Had to pay for Chris's time. You know, there was a problem with the alternator from Garage D that kind of wasted a good 4 hours. So we had to go get it tested, blah blah blah. That's forgotten about now. And the wastegates were just kind of the kick in the teeth. It was like 6 o'clock at night or 6:30 when with the 7 psi springs in, and it wasn't shutting. Maybe if we put stronger springs in, it might have pushed it down, but obviously for mapping we need to be able to do it properly, and it wasn't letting us do it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for some Turbo Smart wastegates, but I have to go away soon for a while, so not going to be much content for the JZ for now, but yeah, hope you enjoy it. And I just took it for a rip, so it's just, well, the end result was 320 at the flywheel, or 300 at the hub. That's what it was saying with 7 psi. So so it's okay for 7 psi going through, and the wastegates weren't shut fully at that point either. And then once you do one run, they're wide open. Then you need to let it cool down. So for, you know, if we're going to 20, 25 psi, you know, you should see hopefully 450, 500, something like that. So I'd be happy like that. Even driving it just now, it's pretty quick on getting up in the RPM range and stuff. So it sounds sick, like it sounds way better than the BMW engine. So yeah, you can see it now. It's just a quick 10-second clip, but yeah, because I was trying to film while doing it, and that's not good. So I need somebody to help me. But yeah, see you later. Bye.